E. Types of guidance and counseling. Counseling can be classified according to different spheres of life in which human beings could encounter problems. These are A. Educational counseling. Problems that could be of learning, teaching, and that of education generally are handled here. B. Marital counseling. Problems that could emanate from married life beginning from spouse selection are resolved here. C. Personal social counseling. Problems including personality and life in general are taken care of here. D. Rehabilitation counseling. Problems emanating from life disruptions such as accidents, retrenchment, and natural mishaps are handled here. E. Vocational counseling. Problems from work and training, career choice making, and adjustment are handled here. Only 3 of the above types of counseling will be mainly practiced in the school setting. These are educational, vocational, and personal social counseling, which will be the full responsibility of the school counselor. However, a counselor in private practice might need to engage in the other types of counseling depending on the needs of his clients.